All right, welcome back, everybody. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us here. It's a little busy out there on this President's Day. If you had today off, you just stay inside and read a book and have a nice time, or did you have to work today? Boy, working outside. Saw some people framing a house. Whew. 10 degrees, though, above zero, below zero, Lewistown, Great Falls, Cut Bank. All day long up here on the Canadian border, we've had temperatures as cold as about 20 below. Highs, 20 below. Wind, yeah, noticeable. Wind chill values, look at these numbers. Whew. Wind chill values will be dangerously cold through tonight. 50, 60 below northeast Montana. We'll get below zero tonight and tomorrow night into Wednesday. Still a bunch of weather alerts out there. Extreme cold warning, 50 to 60 below wind chill values again. Does not get much rougher on planet Earth than that right there. Wind chill values down to 35 below, Great Falls through about the Lewistown area. And we're still under a winter storm warning, all up to Cut Bank, through Great Falls, down to Billings. That's how much snow you can expect here in the lower elevations. A little winter weather advisory for some lighter snow, kind of on the northern fringe of that precipitation right there. But we had a little break today. The sun was poking through the clouds and almost was sunny, but the snow is moving back in. We've had some snow falling here over the last couple of hours, some solid snow up around Great Falls and off the Rocky Mountain front, and there's Pacific moisture running into this Arctic air in place. You got that boundary where it's in the 30s over there around Missoula. Some of this snow and Arctic air is spilling into the central part of the country. It's going to be a good storm for a lot of locations here across the country. There's some snow all the way through midnight tonight. I mean, it's going to be a snowy night. A snowy morning tomorrow morning, very cold, and then the snow tapers off. And it's likely that we break up some of that cloud cover by the afternoon. So we're going partly cloudy. Don't expect it to be a warm day. It'll be a real cold day. And then mainly clear skies tomorrow night. And that will set us up for a 20 to 30 below night in Helena. Possibly 40 below out in other parts of the state. Starting off real sunny, real cold on Wednesday. Little cloud cover moves in. There's the additional snow. It's kind of tilted to the west and southern part of the state here, and the snow should come to an end tomorrow morning. This is what I'm thinking, about 5 inches maybe in the higher terrain around town, up on the Continental Divide. Great Falls, some of the higher terrain just south and east of town could have as much as 5 inches lighter snow off towards the north and the east. Here's the forecast for tonight. More snow, and this is probably the pinnacle of winter here. Snow and cold. We have some warmer air on its way late this week, and there you can see some of that snow tomorrow morning. Very cold temperatures, Arctic high pressure in place. But if you're going over to Missoula, bring your shorts. 31 degrees above zero. Careful driving. Wednesday, a very cold start, high temperatures starting to warm up. Pacific air is going to try to push its way in and push the Arctic air out. So still very cold, but starting to warm up just a little bit. We get into Thursday. Even warmer. Temperatures getting up there. Partly cloudy skies. We'll have a little snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then by Friday, this is when I think we'll likely just about break out of the inversion. Little wind picking up. It may not happen until Saturday, but warmer air is coming late this week into this weekend. All right. Cold tonight, tomorrow single digits to about 10 degrees again. A little snow in the morning, a little sunshine into the afternoon. 20 to 30 below tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Wednesday we start out with some sunshine, clouds will increase. A little light snow, maybe a coating up to a half inch or so Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, but very slow warm up there. But by the time we get into the weekend, the 40s are going to feel like so warm.